In this question, we need to find the area and perimeter of the given shape that is actually a combination of two squares and one triangle. First of all, we need to find the lengths of all the sides. There is a square whose one side is 12 centimeters long, which means all other sides will have the same length since square sides of equal lengths. Moving to the other shape, that is a triangle whose hypotenuse is 15 centimeters and perpendicular is 12 centimeters. Now we need to find base length. We will use Pythagoras theorem to find the base length. The base length is 9 centimeters. Now we have all the lengths of the triangle. Coming to the small square, it has one side of 9 centimeters, which means all other sides will have the same length since square sides of equal lengths. Now that all the lengths are present, let's find the area of the given shape. We need to find the area of each shape separately and then we will add them to get the area of whole shape. Area of squares will be base x height. The larger square will have area of 144 and the smaller one will have area of 81 centimeter square. Now we need to find the area of triangle, which is half into base and height. That will be 0.5 multiplied by 12 into 9, that will be 54 centimeter square. Now the sum of all the areas of these shapes will be 81 plus 144 plus 54, that will be 279 centimeter square. Now we need to find the perimeter of the given shape. Perimeter of any shape is the total distance around the outside boundary of any two-dimensional shape. Here, we just need to add the outer dimensions of shape, that will be 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 15, and we will get 78 centimeter. That will be the perimeter of the given shape.